Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Global City Farmer. I hope you are enjoying the monsoon season and most importantly, I hope you are giving a good rainwater feed to your all plants. Today's video is about another interesting microgreens, that is of black-eyed beans, also called as chauli in Hindi or in Marathi. This is a very commonly used legume or pulse and easily available in all our Indian kitchens. And it is very easy to grow it into a healthy, nutritious microgreens, and that too very quickly. Also, in the series of soilless gardening, this is another addition now, because today's microgreens also we are going to show how to grow without using soil, just using water. So let's begin. Take black-eyed beans and put them for soaking in plain water for 8 to 10 hours. After soaking beans for 8 to 10 hours, we need to strain the water and tie the beans in handkerchief or any cotton cloth. Then keep it in a moist area and a dark place. So within 2 days you will see the nice long sprouts on black-eyed beans. That means now they are ready to be transferred. Now I am showing two methods for sowing these black-eyed beans. First method is a tissue paper method, in which we'll take one box and put a piece of tissue paper completely lining it, and then put the sprouted black-eyed beans in that. Sprinkle some water so that they are equally moist and do not keep them overlapping each other. Then cover them with a moist cotton cloth or handkerchief. Daily we can check the beans to see if we can see any green color. As soon as we see the green color, we can remove the cotton cloth and keep them open. After 1 day or 2 days, they will start sprouting green leaves or green sprouts, and in a day or two you will start seeing beautiful dark green microgreens growing from these black-eyed beans. Method of growing microgreens of these beans is by using strainer or a container with multiple holes in it. This method is very similar to the method I had shown in my video for moong and matki microgreens. The link is in description box. You can refer it for more details. In this method, the roots get more strong structure as they reach for the container which is below the strainer, and roots grow strong, so microgreens also grow very strong. And as you can see, once they reach the height of 6 inches, they are ready to be harvested. And we'll see how do we harvest these healthy microgreens now. For harvesting these nutritious microgreens, we can cut the leaves and the little stem underneath. I am leaving the balance stem in the container itself so that we can get a chance to have second harvest from the same sprouted beans. See how fresh and crunchy and green they are looking. So here we can use this harvested microgreens in multiple dishes. We can make stir-fry vegetables. We can use them as garnishing in various curries, dals, salads, smoothies, and also in sandwiches and omelets. See here the salad with a crunchy microgreens as the garnish. Isn't it easy to grow this nutritious food? Do give it a try, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Global City Farmer.